Hi.
What?
I'm gonna go to the ottoman and start walking again?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I have that shiny thing again. Yep. I've got that shiny thing. Hi. It doesn't make very good movie, though. When the subject comes right up to the camera. It's not a good movie. Boop. It's got to be stealth.
Hi. There's your blankie.
What?
There's your blankie.
What?
There's a puppy. Go. Go.
There's a truck in the pasture. Yeah.
That's his truck.
Oh, love our blankie.
Well, he dragged the pasture.
Oh.
He took himself across the fence.
Woo! Whoa! Baby down. Baby down. Uh-oh, watch out, Monty. Do you want to grab him, Jace?
Yeah, you gonna go see Mommy, huh?